girl don't want me 'cause I'm my dirty laundry.
Hello, I found this game. I thought it was a copyright of Ragdoll engine. The game is pretty alright. I think the walking on walls option is better than the low gravity option. My friend Xapti1 did a video on this high hopes when the guy was walking up the building. He told me to try it out after he did the video. I think the low gravity option is extra because you already got the gravity coil, but I guess it's just a free option. Also, the Ragdoll engine building doesn't have any windows so people can fall out, hehehe. So if you run towards a wall in the building, you will go on the wall and then on the ceiling. Imagine someone falling up. Heck, couldn't be me. Lol, he's falling up. TikTok and Lucky are hard to understand. I'm just a teddy bear, so you can't blame me. Also, I can't read, so Xapti reads for me. Oof. Why am I standing like this? It's so weird. I responded, I think I'm gonna walk up the building one more time. I hope you don't mind. Xapti, I am not the imposter. Red is always sus. Red is the only outfit I have. Red and blue are always the main color on everything. My favorite color is brown. I thought wearing the Among Us outfit was a good idea. I hate the new update. I'm trying to sign in, but nothing happens. Once I figure out the problem with that, me and Xapti1 will play again and might invite some more friends. Xapti will be green and I will be brown. Well, anyways guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. Make sure to subscribe to my channel and subscribe to Xapti1's channel. See you guys later.